In this quick video guide, I want to show you a website where you can download free assets, free CAD assets, so free drawings or free blocks in DWG format or PDF. This website is called FreeCADS.com, not to be confused with the open source software FreeCAD, which is also pretty useful. And we did other guides about this one here, FreeCAD. And also, if you're interested, you can check OpenSCAD and also LibreCAD. And again, you will find the guides inside the channel. So look for them into our YouTube channel. So let's get into the freecads.com website. So I'm going to click here, and you can see here we have a lot of assets. The first page is going to be the top downloads, so you can see the best that have been uploaded. You can also request a file for free, and this is the amount of files that are now inside this website. And here you have the various categories. So let's do an example, and let's click on this floor plan. So you find entire floor plans here, but you can also find furniture and other single blocks and also bigger files with a lot of blocks inserted into one single set. So you can proceed here, just pick one of these. Okay, and then you just need to go here on the right side. You have all the information and also similar drawing at the bottom. So let's click here. You can download this in PDF and use it, for example, for Photoshop or Illustrator if you want to create some infographics or something like that. Or you can use it in CAD or AutoCAD and other CAD application. So in this case, I'm gonna click here, and you can see I don't have to create any subscription. I just get inside here and download. This is totally free and easy and fast. So once it's downloaded, you need to have a software to open up this DWG file. Not all the software are capable of opening DWG files. Sometimes you need to convert this in DXF, and you can find also on the web some DWG DXF converter, especially when you're using open source software or, let's say, less famous software. You need to have DXF, which is more compatible than the DWG. Now, in my case, I will open this with the SketchUp software, SketchUp Pro. And of course, this is just an example. You can open it up with any 2D or 3D application that supports that particular format. And in my case, right now, I have available SketchUp Pro. So I'm going to import here, and this procedure is similar to any other software. So you just need to click, select the DWG file, and import. And it's gonna be just as easy as that. Again, the all important thing is that the software is gonna support DWG. And there you go. So I can now start to model in 3D or design in 2D here in SketchUp. And if you're interested, you can find also videos about SketchUp in the channel. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please support us by subscribing to the channel or joining. And also you can write your comments, your suggestions or questions about this particular topic or similar topics. And so this will be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.